The Facebook algorithm is the set of mathematical rules and machine learning models that determine what content is shown in a user's newsfeed. It uses data such as user engagement, content relevance, and recency to rank posts and display the most relevant and popular content. The algorithm also takes into consideration the type of content, such as videos, photos or links, and the source of the content, such as friends, pages or groups. The goal of the algorithm is to show users the content they are most likely to be interested in and engage with, while also prioritizing content that promotes healthy conversations and builds community. The Facebook algorithm is constantly evolving, so businesses and content creators must stay up to date on changes and best practices to ensure their content is being seen by their target audience.